What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG Tech Life, and today we got a packaging, guys. Something I've been waiting for, something I'm excited about. So let's just go ahead and see what's in the box. So as you see, we just coming up off of Google I/O, and yes, I did order the Pixel 7a in coral and a couple friends to go with it. Got a little bit of everything, all coral everything going on in this box right now, guys. So we got the coral Pixel Buds Pro right here. We got the coral Pixel 7a going on right here. And shout out to Google, man. They got a limited time case. They work with Casemate specifically for the coral. Very dope color. You know, that's a Google exclusive color. So this is just going to be an unboxing. Let's go ahead and just get the unboxing stuff. We're going to go from the right to the left. So you can see we got the Pixel Buds Pro right here. And now definitely I'm going to bring a review on these. I heard good things about these. So I finally decided to pick them up when I got my new Pixel 7a. And they were like $100 off. I got them for 99 bucks. So as you can see, you greet it straight with the earbuds in the case. Not much in the box, guys, just some extra tips so you can go ahead and see what size you need for your ear specifically. Go ahead, open these bad boys up. There you go. Nice, cool. Looks a little bit lighter than the phone, but this is just a nice little chill combo that I'm putting together, guys. Here we got the Pixel 7a, guys, and I just picked this up, guys, because this is going to be my go-to Pixel for right now. I got the 7 Pro, I got the 6a, but I really just want to use this. I love this color, guys. I like this orange type color, this coral color. That's why I even went ahead and picked up the Pixel Buds Pro. This is going to be my Pixel loadout. I'm carrying a main device, a S23 Ultra big phone. So I want like a little secondary Android phone that's not as big, something I can do my social media stuff on, something I can just chill with, pull out my Pixel Buds, listen to some music, and it's not as hefty or it's not as cumbersome as a big device. This is going to be my little Pixel flow right here, 7a in the cold. Let's get it unboxed. Here we go right here, greeted with the phone, looking really nice. Look at that aluminum. I like that aluminum bar. I love how it looks in this like light orange colorway. This cold colorway is just fire. It's everything. It's a little lighter in hand. Like as I'm looking at it from behind the camera, it's a little lighter. The camera's making it just a tad bit darker than the cold really is. But I mean, just a dope colorway, guys. I mean, as you can see, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous colorway. So as we know, there's not much to these unboxings these days. As you can see, I'm gonna leave this in the box because I got a ton of this stuff around. Got a Pixel cable and we got the OTG adapter. Let's go ahead and get this guy off. All right, so boom. I'm loving all everything is on the back right now, guys. We ain't even cutting the phone on, and I like how this aluminum frame look. The plastic back feels really good. If anybody else got a 7a, this plastic back feels almost like it's deceiving. It feels very quality. It's a premium feel in the hand, guys. I must say, for it to be plastic, it's not like echoey or hollow or not bending in the middle. Nice build for a plastic back. A1 build for a plastic back. And I mean, the color is what got me, guys. Honestly, the color was like, yo, this is what you're gonna be rocking. This is what you putting a SIM card in. This is how you gonna look. I'm rocking with the Pixel 7a, not the Pixel 7 Pro, not the Pixel 6a. Just this color alone, I'm really feeling this. So it's something different and cool and neat, and it's exclusive. So I was like, yeah, I want to rock this. I already got the big Ultra. I don't need to carry around two big Pro top tier devices. This is going to be my Pixel get down till the 8 Pro come out, guys, and it's gorgeous. Last but not least, guys, we got the Casemate case, specially made limited edition for the Pixel 7a in the cold colorway. I mean, you can use this on any Pixel 7a, but I just think it'll go dope on this cold colorway, guys. Here we go right here. Nice packaging. As you can see, it goes from the coral to the blue, nice and clear. And this is what we looking like, guys. Nice, clear, protective. It's a little bit more sturdy than the regular TPU. The back is actually kind of like a polycarbonate. The sides are kind of like TPU, nice and clear. As you can see, we got a nice design on the back, and we got a clear cutout so you can see that Google G on the back of this case, guys. And this is what it's looking like on the device. And the very protective case right here. And you know, this is a pretty sturdy phone, a plastic phone. Anyway, I like how they cleared the way for the G so you can see the G on the back. I mean, these colors just go together so sick. This orange aluminum looks great. So today I just wanted to unbox these products with you guys and just show you the all cool everything set up. A couple things about the 7a. Now over the Pixel 6a, we got a 90 Hz screen, we got a Tensor G2 processor, same 6.1 inch screen. We got some wireless charging going on, not the fastest, but hey, it's just a couple conveniences, and it's very close to the Pixel 7. But we're gonna get into some first impressions and things like that later. This just the unboxing. I appreciate you watching. If you're watching, get subscribed. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.